She's not happy with the microblading done by the beautician at the side of her hairline. Indication here today is lowering hairline and also to camouflage the tattoo look at the side of the head, and we are using the smart FUE technique. Now it's just 24 hours after the procedure. We just completed the smart graft care. Today's day 7 of the smart FUE procedure. The case of she's not happy that microblading was done, and also we camouflage that area at the same time lowering the hairline. And now we're going to see all the microscapes already out. She have done a wonderful smart graft care. Day 7, microscope is already out. We can see the hair in the design area as she wish. Indication here is to lowering hairline to about 2 centimeters down, and this is the microblading done by the beautician. She's not happy, and we managed to draw the hairline to hide the microblading and to camouflage all this tattoo look in that is not natural. Let's have a close look. We can see the microblading in on the right side, and this is on the left side. Here is lowering hairline to give her a new appearance, a new look, and here is to camouflage the microblading, and you can see all the hair in the right angle, right direction, and the density is good to give her a new look in another 8-9 months down the road.